You certainly did well today. That kind of work makes me happy. One more time and you'll have it. That's the right way to do it. You're getting better every day. You must have been practicing. That's better than ever. That was first-class work. Couldn't have done it better myself. Keep working on it. You're improving. That's how to handle that. Now that's what I call a fine job. You're really going to town. Out of sight. Tremendous. Excellent. Super duper. Way to go.
Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.